Good afternoon, this is Andy Lam from Mayfield Toyota. Today I would like to present you a 2017 Toyota 4Runner Trail Edition. This is the unit. This unit already comes with block heater, skid plate, fog light, projection headlight, 17-inch aluminum alloy rims with tire pressure sensors, hood scoop. If you look it up on the stickers over there, this unit is 100% built by Japan. Heated with signal light side mirror, manufacturer side steps. Back windows is already been tinted by manufacturer. They also come with the roof rails. Trailer hitch, wire and lighting, backup camera, this unit also comes with two sets of mats, which is the rubber mat for the winter time and carpet mat for the summertime as well. And they also come with the power outlet over here, 400 volt and 12 volt power sockets over there as well. On the second row of the 4Runner, they come with 40/60 split with black leather seat with red stitches. For the driver's side, they also come with the power seat with power lumbar support, power windows, power door lock, power side mirrors, heated front windshield wiper deicer. You also have an option to turn on and off for your 400 volt power outlet at the back of the trunk. On the steering wheel, it allows you to connect it with your Bluetooth device, such as your cellular phone. On the left hand side of the steering wheel, you can use it to adjust the volume controls over there. Select the songs or radio station. On the right hand side of the steering wheel, you can use this to answer the phone call or disconnect it. They also come with the voice recognition features on this unit too. For the display button, they allow you to switch to information on the main dashboard anytime you want without any interruption. This unit also equipped with navigation system, backup camera, air condition, USB and auxiliary input, 12 volt power outlet, cup holder, automatic transmission with all the carbon fiber trim on the side, heated front seats. You also could have an option to turn to 4x4 or 4x2 as well. The Trail Edition also comes with the crowd control system, which is good benefit for you when you go for off-roading. Up there, they also come with traction control, 8-track, and 4-wheel drive differential lock system. You also could program up to 3 garage openers into this unit. They also come with sunroof. Once again, this is Andy Lam from Mayfield Toyota. I'm looking forward to meet you in person. Thank you very much for your time and have a wonderful day.